Good morning, my dear children. A warm welcome to all of you. Now, children, as we have done the back exercise and theme page of the chapter My Body, today we are going to do the vocabulary of the chapter My Body. So, before starting, I would request you all to be ready with your notebook and pencil. So now children, as I'll say, you have to follow the instructions very carefully. So take out a new page and first we'll write down the day and date. So in the left corner at the top, you will write today's day, which is Wednesday. So how will you spell Wednesday? It's WEDNESDAY. So what is the day today? Everyone repeat with me. It's Wednesday. Very good. So on the right hand side, in the corner at the top, you will write the date, which is 29-04-2020. In the center of the page, at the top, you will write chapter 2. In the next line, below chapter 2, you will write the name of the chapter, which is My Body. And below that, in the next line, you will write the heading, which is vocabulary. So how will you spell vocabulary? It's VOCABULARY. Vocabulary. Children, I am giving you time to copy the same, but make sure that you write in cursive handwriting only. Has everyone done? Show me a thumbs up then. Very good. So in the next line, we'll write number 1. And now we'll write the word. Now first see which picture is shown, which is the first picture. What is shown in the first picture? Can anyone tell me what is this? Which part is this? Right, it is our face. So first word is face. How do you spell face? It's F-A-C-E. Face. Everyone speak with me. F-A-C-E. Face. Now look at the second picture. What can you see here? These are very good. These are eyes. So the second word is eyes. Write down number 2 and write down E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now everyone repeat with me. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now look at the third picture. What is shown here? This is our nose. So write down 3 in the third line. And the word is, repeat with me, N-O-S-E. Nose. Very good, children. Has everyone done till here? Very nice, children. So now we'll move to the fourth word. In the next line, write down number 4. And what can you see in the picture? These are the ears. So speak loudly with me. E-A-R-S. Ears. Has everyone written? Very good. Now in the next line, what is the picture here? Mouth. So write down M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Repeat the spelling with me. It's M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Now the sixth word is neck. So how do you spell neck? It's N-E-C-K. Neck. Now what is shown in the next picture? Very good. These are the hands. So how will we spell hands? H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Now in the next picture, this is a knee. So write down K-N-E-E, knee. Everyone repeat the spelling with me. It's K-N-E, again E, knee. So the spelling is K-N-E-E. Now the ninth word is legs. So say the spelling with me. L-E-G-S. Legs. Now write down the next word. Which body part is shown in the picture? It's foot. So write down F-O-O-T. Foot. Everyone repeat the spelling with me. F-O-O-T. Foot. So the spelling is F-O-O-T. Foot. Now I am repeating the words for you. You just check whether you have done it correctly or not. So the first word is face. Second is eyes. Third is nose. Fourth is ears. Fifth is mouth. Sixth is neck. Seventh is hands. Eighth is knee. Ninth is legs. And 10th is foot. Very nice, children. I really hope that everyone is writing very neatly and using only cursive handwriting. So fine, children. Today we have completed our chapter, My Body. And from the next class, from the next video, we'll be starting a new chapter. So till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.